We are coming to you live from Arundel County Animal Care and Control. I'm going to first show you little Squeegee and Swiffer, are two of our socialization projects that we've been working on. They got their cage really redone this morning, so they are not as hidey at the moment as they often are. So here are little Swiffer and Squeegee, and they are working on getting better. For everybody that's watching, in case you don't know already, our dog gallery is currently closed, but our shelter is open. We're gonna sneak on through here. I will not be going into the dog gallery today. We've had several cases of dogs with parvo, and we're trying to make sure that we clean and prevent the spread of that. So this is Greta. Hi, Greta. I know. Okay, you need a pet. Yeah, you need a pet, huh? All right, there's your pet. You're gonna see several animals live and in person, and then I will show you the slideshow, which is available on our website, www.aacounty.org/pets. I do want to remind everyone that all pets are currently free here at Arundel County Animal Care and Control. Hello, little Mandolin. Where are you? Oh, I see an eye. Hi. She's feeling a bit overwhelmed. And then, of course, we have Lily. Hi, Lily. Hi.
Oh, hi. In your face.
Hi. You're going to say hi to all your fans up close and personal, huh? There's Lily. Lily has done well with dogs, so that's one of the features of Lily that I think is an awesome selling point.
We were told she doesn't like cats, but it's pheromones she's sensitive to, because the last couple of kittens I had in here, I had out for a couple of days each, and other than the initial hiss, she was okay with their existence. So.
Yeah, so I think she might do well with a calm cat and a proper introduction. We're gonna hop, in to see our rabbits and small critters next. Here's IHOP. They love looking at little rabbit twitchy noses. Hi, IHOP. Just to show you her card. For those that may be interested in her. This is Boardwalk. How doing, Boardwalk? Yeah, you're a big girl, aren't you? This is Corona. Hi, Corona. Yeah, aren't you a handsome fellow? This is Brooke. Don't chew the bars. Don't chew the bars. Cute little tongue. Please do not remove. Oh, okay. This is Boots. Hi, Boots. How doing? Hi, Boots. This is Odin. Hi there, Odin. How are you? Yeah. And we have some guinea pigs. This is Leo, Franklin, and Sonic. It looks like the first one I showed you is Franklin. This little friend is Sonic. And this little friend is Leo. We have Hazel, who must not know she's a guinea pig because it says no other guinea pigs. Guinea pigs tend to travel in herds, so that's a little bit different for her. And then we have Peanuts. Hi, Peanuts. Hi, Peanuts. And here we have Honey and Coco the cats. Hi. These big girls can't fit in another cage together, so they have to be all covered up here. And then we have Walker, who's not thrilled to be with us. Oh, thank you, Carmen. We do have some awesome staff and awesome volunteers, and I just want to point that out while we're on here, especially when we're going through tough times. It's important to know that our crew is working hard. I'm going to come out here next and start showing you the slideshow. And if it doesn't move in a second, I'm going to adjust it. Okay, good. There it is. There's little Ethel. Good morning, Nancy. So far we've shown the office cats and the small animals in our training room. I'm reminding everybody that we're coming to you live from Anne Arundel County Animal Care and Control. We are closed today. However, if you see your missing pet here, please drop me an email, p93282@aacounty.org. Our dog gallery is currently closed because we've had a few cases of parvo here at the shelter, and we want to make sure that we don't have that spread. All of our animals are still currently free. We need fosters more than ever right now, particularly for dogs, because we don't want to expose new dogs to the potential germs that are in the shelter. And though we vaccinate everybody upon arrival, it's best that animals that are potentially going to be exposed have had a full vaccination series. We do want to remind all pet owners, both dogs and cats, to go see a regular veterinarian. Have your pets kept current on vaccines. Distemper, parvo are especially important for dogs. Rabies vaccinations are required for all dogs, cats, and ferrets in Maryland once they're old enough to do so. Distemper vaccines also recommended in cats, and keeping them current can help protect them if they ever get loose and get exposed to the germs and dangers that are outside, or end up coming to a shelter where animals that are unvaccinated may be coming, which is what increases the risk. We have so many dogs right now and so many cats. We have over 30 dogs in foster right now. Huge thank you to everyone that is fostering a dog for us. We cannot thank you enough. If you're interested in becoming a foster and you live in Anne Arundel County, you can go to our website, www.aacounty.org/pets. Under forms and publications, you will see our foster application, and you can email that to us with the supporting documentation, copy of your driver's license, proof that any current pets you have are up to date on vaccines, at accfoster@aacounty.org. Can you go let Dr. Holly in?
Kristen, you're getting off it, she said.
Yeah, she's trying not to touch the door.
Oh.
Hang on, I get it.
Thank you. Can we get this door? Yes, please.
So many dogs.
I bring new gates right now. The frame we have. So that will cause damage. But I'm still the same problem, right? Because there's the same kind of gates.
Oh, yeah.
They find out what kind of material to put. They don't be the same problem.
Yep. But for now, we can just fix those so the dogs aren't, it doesn't have to rush.
Well, keep in mind, Mary, that right now our dog gallery is closed, so we're not able to have people walk around in there.
So, right now, we're
But you can definitely stop by, and if we're able to show you one of the dogs that you're interested in, we will. Many are out in foster, so what we'd encourage you to do is come in and do your pre-screen, and then we can coordinate a meeting from there.
Today is honestly the best day for you to be doing this.
Oh, okay.
Because right now, if we're closed, not letting people in. The plan is for like a cases turn up. We're gonna reopen later this week. So I think it might be to push this off, just to be on the safe side, because I don't want you to bring anything home to your house.
All right. Let's talk with my boss.
She just walked into the clinic, I think. Poor little Fleekley there is in foster. He was in getting a bath this morning, I can tell you that. He's a small dog, but he definitely needs a lot of TLC. Again, very thankful for our fosters.
Yeah, it's just ironic timing.
Okay. Okay. No problem. All right.
Okay.
Let us know. Thank you.
Thank you. Yeah, you can just go straight up. Thanks.
Have a good day.
You too.
Happy to answer questions as you guys are watching. And I'm going to keep on reminding everybody that we are very full and that all of our animals are free right now here at Anne Arundel County Animal Care and Control. There are just so many dogs to go through. We're going to go through the cat gallery next. So just so that those that are watching kind of know what to expect. On this tour, we will not be walking through the dog areas today. Again, we're trying to be very careful not to spread any potential germs. But you get to see all these cute pictures of dogs. Oh look, we have a Sonic the dog and a Sonic the guinea pig. Strawberry Shortcake is currently in foster. So many dogs. If you haven't already, click share to help us reach more people. We'd appreciate it if you can click share so that more people can see what we have here and available for adoption. Little Wegman is in foster. You'll notice some of his information is not filled in. That's because we did not physically bring him into the shelter, again trying to minimize exposure. And we do have some cross postings, courtesy posts for other rescue partners. A lot of shelters and rescues, actually most shelters and rescues are currently extremely full right now. So adopting from anywhere helps open up space. Please note again, our dog gallery is currently closed until at least August 16th. And we again want to remind everyone to please make sure that your pets are fully vaccinated against distemper, parvo, and rabies. All of our pets are currently free. We are overflowing with animals. feel like we already saw them once, but I suspect that is just because there are 4 dogs all with the same one. Yeah, that one had an arrow over it for the, what we think is mama dog. Somebody's got to be missing a mother and 3 puppies. If we know who the owner is, it would be super awesome if that information can be shared with us and we can get them back together. So again, if you know an owner for any of the animals that we have here, especially those that came in as a stray, it would be much appreciated. And will help keep them safe. Little Cassie's in foster. I've seen cute little updates on her from the foster. They say she's relaxing and having more and more tail wags as she gets more comfortable, learning to trust. Checkers has those sad puppy dog eyes, and our volunteer sees a Velcro dog. Yeah, so many adorable dogs in our care, either here physically in the shelter or out in foster. You'll notice so many of these animals came in as strays, which meant they have no vaccination history, which is one of the reasons we're extra sensitive right now. With knowing that we've had parvo in our building, we have to be so careful when the animals do not have any vaccination history. They are more at risk. We vaccinate against parvo distemper upon arrival. However, vaccines take time to help a body build immunity to provide sufficient protection. Next, here's Cheese. There's Cheese. Shay is hiding in the hidey hut. This is Sparkle. Hi there, Sparkle. She was talking to me this morning. There's her card. Again, that's Sparkle. We have Skylar and Sailor, who would love to be adopted together. Hopefully you can see them both. We have Quicksilver in her little hidey hut. And Patton eating breakfast. Hey, Patton. There's Susie. She looks like she's snoozing comfortable after breakfast. Juniper. Oh, can we see a kitty in there? There we are. There's a little bit of Juniper. Here's Izzy. Hi. Don't bother to get up. Yeah, you can just stay right comfortable. That's fine. Seraphine and Beauregard. Oh, and this is Seraphine, and that's Beauregard. This is Kelp. Hi, Kelp. How are you doing? Kelp. We have Miss Kitty, who thankfully was eating this morning. Hi, Miss Kitty. We have Church. Hi. Chirp, chirp. How doing? Rip Curl and Billabong. Hi, guys. How you doing? We have Candy. Hi, Candy. We have Cheeto. Wait, is this the orange section? Yeah. We have Casa. Hi. Hi, Casa. And Onyx. Hi, Onyx. We have Phoebe. You and Casa were in unison on that. Made you sound extra loud. Arcadia is hiding at the moment. We have Loki. Hi there. Hi there, Loki. And then down here we have Woody and Ward. Oh, they're coming over to say hi. Hi, good morning. How are you? And we're going to show you cats that we have in foster or offices. Or just rooms that you can't see them when you walk in. So many awesome animals, and they need adopters. Our staff and volunteers can only take home so many animals. We need adopters. We need you. And if not you, your friend who doesn't have an animal or has room for another animal. So please click share, help us connect with them. Because we want to help these animals, but we can't keep them all. You got to see Squeegee and Swiffer live in virtual person. If you started off with us on the live today, if you missed them, you can go back and watch it later. Look at all of these kitties in foster. I believe that Beach Balls Foster is adopting, but Frisbee still needs a home. You'll notice we have quite a few that are getting socialization while they're in foster. And we're going to keep reminding you throughout this live that all of our animals are free, and we are extremely full right now. Angel, thank you for adopting. Please share and help us find more people to adopt like you. We've almost come all the way around. Now we have to go all the way to Meowser. Then we'll have gone the full distance of the cat slideshow, and we'll head in to see the cat side rooms. Thank you for sharing, Angel. We appreciate it. Again, anyone that can share and help us reach more people, more potential homes, even if you can't take home right now, you can help us help the animals by helping us expand our reach and find more people to take pets home. You guys got to see Lily in person-ish, live in person-ish. And you got to see a little bit of Mandolin's face if you were watching at the beginning. And that takes us all the way around. So now we are going to head to the side rooms. Oh, sweet. Love it when the doors open. All right. We have little Gladys here. Hi. We have Swiss. quarantine until October 29th. We're always looking for more people that are able to quarantine animals at their home in accordance with state law. You have to live in Anne Arundel County, have no children under the age of 18 in your home, be able to keep them in a totally separate locked space. Oh, there you are, Moose. Hi, Moose. And Maggie. So many of these are October quarantine end dates. They would like to spend those several months in a home rather than in a shelter. Falcor's quarantine does not end until September. I can't show you that one. I can show you this one. This one is hiding. Hi. Oh, you seem very overwhelmed by the world, little Paprika. I'm sorry. Yeah, would you like to find a foster that can help socialize you? Oh, so many wound of unknown origins. Little Lily's at the vet. Here's Devin. Hi. Another October end of quarantine date. And are you one that I can show? Yeah. Another stray. Eating breakfast. Who's making all that noise over this way? Alright. We're not going to go into our sick cat room because we don't want to spread germs. We are going to stop through our cat nursery and then we'll head to receiving. One of the cool things about these virtual tours is you do get to see more of the shelter than you see when you stop through. Shorty is apparently hanging out in the hidey house. Here's Meowser. Amara. Hi. Reba. You are appropriately named. You are making a whole lot of noise. Yeah, you're just singing. Peppercorn is hiding. I think Reba wants extra attention. Hi. Are you in heat? You sound like you're in heat. Please spay and neuter your pets. Yeah, please spay and neuter your pets. Yeah. Sing it, Reba. We're going to head on to our receiving area. Need a show back here?
Dog named Dinky that actually 3 dogs that are coming as strays.
Are they all back here?
Yes, in the back, in the back.
All right.
And then we have one in isolation that came in.
We have Lily. Lily. You are making a lot of noise. And Luna.
They really blew Lily technically belong together.
Okay. And then we have little Dinky. Hi, Dinky. Alright. Any cats back here?
Yes. Bubblegum cupcake. And the mama with some babies.
Oh no.
And a feral.
There's Bubblegum Cupcake. She's precious. Daryl's not going to want to say hi. Oh, Mama, you have little babies. If any of our fosters are interested in fostering a mama with babies, we're going to end with her today. We hope everybody has a great Monday. Coming to you live from Anne Arundel County Animal Care and Control.